loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here with an unboxing of sorts. It's actually more of an unpackaging, but this is my September kit from Villabeautifful. So if you want to see me unpackage this Happy Mail, keep watching. All right, you guys, so this is the September kit, and it is magical plans. And again, as I always try to explain, when she sends out her kits, it's kind of more so for the following month. So this is all like Halloweenish themed. So this is right in time for October. So I want to show you all the contents that's in here. So first of all, let's talk about this packaging. I really like that she has started putting them in these pouches. If you've been getting her boxes for a while, or kits for a while, you know that she used to include them in like a zipper pouch. And I'm kind of like hyped because everybody they're doing pouches. So this is very different and unique because you can use it to keep your kit in, or store extra stickers, store your papers, or whatever you want to do with this. So you get a little extra storage along with this kit. And I do want to show you this. So you have this little string tie, so you don't have to worry about a button or anything like that when you're trying to open it up. All right, so you get your 2 rolls of washi. You have your 5mm and your 10mm, and they are a mix of silver and gold. I'm going to go ahead and, I wasn't going to open it at first, but I want you to be able to see exactly what this pattern looks like. So let's go ahead and open this roll, and I'm going to roll it out so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here is what this washi tape looks like unrolled. As you can see, this top one has like some stars, some moons, some diamonds, and they're all in like this really dark 14 karat gold. And then you have like the silver specks within it. And then on this strip, you have actually the clip art that she's using throughout the kit in silver. And it's more like a hollow than a silver. So we're going to go ahead and just say hollow and 14 karat gold. And then you see the same repeat of these stickers. Of these stars, moons, and diamonds in the same color, and as well as the specks there in that 14 karat gold. So this is the 5mm and the 10mm. All right, so next you have these super cute paper clips, and these are called Charm Dangle paper clips, and I absolutely love these. One, because I love the little fatty clips, and then I love the fact that it dangles. So let's go ahead and take this out the packaging. Okay, look at these. So pretty. The deep purples and the blue. And you got the star and the moon. And y'all know that I love this kit because these are my wedding colors. When my husband and I got married, we decided to incorporate our favorite colors since we were becoming one, which I like purple and he loves blue. So there you have it. So these are amazing. All right, so the next thing that you have, which is different from the kit, normally she'll either do like a pin where you can pin to your clothes or stick on your cork boards, or she'll do a keychain. But this month she did this magnet charm, and it is so cute. And just to kind of show you how it works, it has the magnet back, and I'm just going to put it on something that is magnetic, and see. So you can use this to decorate or to put on your planners. I know Tiffany had put it on her planner, but you just want to be careful that it doesn't move around when you put it on your planner. But it is pretty sturdy, like legit. Like I was trying to put forth effort. See, it takes a lot to kind of move it around. So this is the magnet charm. All right, so next you have the Dotty Stickers, and I absolutely love them. Now I will tell you, for me, I have a love-hate relationship with this kit because I don't do skulls. I just don't. I don't do skulls. Like, I don't. So I definitely won't be using these skull heads. But everything else, like these bows, the stars, The crystals, I will definitely be probably using those, but if I don't use I probably won't use the skulls or the crystal balls. So if I have any of these left, they might be, if anybody wants them, they can have them. But this is so cute. And let's talk about the backing. Y'all know I love her backing. I always use these in my planners. All right, so this next one is a different item, and it's a little bit of glare, so I'm gonna take it out the packaging. But these are her acetate die cuts. Yes, acetate die cuts. Okay, so these are the die cuts. You got them in the crystal. You have the theme that says magical plans. You have more crystals. You have creative juice. You got your skull. You have this right here. Looks like a bouquet of flowers with like some moon and some stars kind of dangling down. You got more crystals, and you have the moon with the crystals. Okay, so you know that I am doing the happy dance because I love when she has pockets, because I'm a pocket girl, and I cannot wait to create something using these pockets. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up because you have to see them in real life. All right, so you get 3 pockets. 2 of them are in the smaller sizes, so you can actually I know this size you can definitely fit in a Hobonichi or micros. These ones will have to be in like a little bit larger planners, or you can kind of like, if you want to have them this way and have your pocket sideways, you can do it that way. You know, nobody says that you have to stick to the rules and do your pockets like this. You just want to make sure if you are doing your pockets sideways that the opening is facing your rings or your binding, because you don't want anything to fall out if you did it that way. So these will definitely be getting used really soon. All right, so the next one is this sticky note pad, and it is super cute. It has magical plans with the flowers, in the, what is it, the hollow foil with the roses around that. Is super cute. Okay, so the next thing are these super cute journaling cards, or I like to call them pocket cards. So again, with her backing, super cute. This will be being used. So these are all of the pocket cards that you get. And you have this one that says time to recharge, magical plans, you are magical, you're a gem, and then this beauty right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so this next set, you get these only if you get the kit that comes with the paper pack. And along with that, you also get digitals. So you'll get a whole lot of different patterns and colors that you can download and print, as well as you get some clip art. So I really always recommend, if you're gonna get her kits, get the digital, get the paper pack as well, because you can always save it and be able to continue to recreate the papers that she send you, as long as you have a color printer, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the vellum first. I absolutely love this vellum right here, and I love the fact that it's already folded, simply because, you know, for the most part, most of us that use vellum, we use it in some type of planner that has an insert. So this is going to fit any size. This is letter size paper, so this will fit, I know it will fit an A5 because I've used this in my A5 and had to do very little trimming. And then this is another one that has like the astrology and all of that stuff. I don't know if it's the Big Dipper or the Little Dipper, but it has some astrology on there. And then you have your paper, and the paper is always two-sided. So you have this darker color here, and then you have the lighter color in the inside. And even though it doesn't have any foiling or anything to it, you almost kind of get like this illusion, like, oh, almost spellbound. So this next one, this is the one side. And you know, even though they're folded, you can always refold them in the direction that you want to. You know, they're just folded so they can fit in that packaging. So then this is the other side, and I absolutely love this side, so I'm gonna flip it like this. So then this is another one. This is like some cosmic chasm kind of pattern here. And then on the inside, you have more of the lighter color that has that whole cosmic, galactic kind of thing going on in the inside. And then the last one, you have all the stars aligning for you in my favorite colors, purple and blue. And it almost has like hints of pink in there. And so then this is the other side. This is super cute. I like this fold. So this is the paper that you get when you order the paper pack. Okay guys, so you know it's always hard for me to choose between showing you the pen and the sticker book. So I think I'm going to show you the pen last. So let's go ahead and go through the sticker book. Okay, so first, again, she's been adding the accessory, an extra accessory sheet in with your stickers. So these are super cute. You can use these in your regular size planners as well as your Hobonichi. I'm really liking how she always includes the pen for the month and the name of the pen, which is Magical Plans. And if you didn't know, all of the pens that come with the kits are always named what the kit name is. So like last month's pen was the VB Studio pen. So this one is the Magical Plans pen. So that's kind of an easy way for you to keep track of the names of the pen. Okay, so here we go with the sticker book. So off the jump, it's a very smooth matte finish. I like that because with the hollow foil, it's not too shiny. Sometimes you get, you know, stickers where it's glossy sticker and foil and it's just too overpowering. So I like the subtleness of the colors on top with the hollow foil. So you get 9 full box stickers, which is plenty to use in any spread. And then you have, I always feel like I miss a page. Then you have your deco stickers. You have your, I don't know what you call these because they're on a slant. They're not really quarter boxes. They're not really flags, but they are almost like headers. You have your flag, your bill pays, and more icons. And then this is always my favorite page because it has her clipboards, and I love the clipboards. So you have more full box stickers that are more functional because they have more white space or light space where you can write in, with some quarter boxes here at the bottom. Then you have your half boxes that are rounded. And these are super cute because they are not only decorative around the border, they're functional in the inside because you have all of that white space on there. Then your next ones are more of like your header style stickers, and these are all basically your typical functional stickers: goals, to do, do now, busy, day off, check it off, focus, and things like that. And then you have these functional and deco washi strips along with these functional quarter boxes here. And then this is where you get the full on icon sheet. So I will be using a few of these stickers. I really love the flat lays. They are super cute. I love these flower bouquets, and as well the VB pen. I absolutely love it. So then this is where you have your date covers and more of your header style stickers. You have some arrows, some little quote boxes, and then you have your 2 tabs here. And then next And her format is pretty much the same in each kit. So it's just going to be the color and the theme and all of that stuff that's different. So you have your flag and your checklist stickers, which are all foiled out in the hollow foil. And then this is your Hobonichi section. I love that she gives you 2 styles of kits in the one sticker book, so you don't have to feel like, well, I don't have a traditional or standard size planner. She always looks out for you. So you got your hobo kit right there, and these can also be used in print pressing as well. Okay, and lastly, the pen is here. Ooh. That sounded crazy. Oh, it matches my nails. I did not even think about that. So I love this pen. First of all, let me see. For some reason, I can't get no light. Let me see if I can adjust my lighting. Look at this blue, you guys. Right now, my camera is not giving it any justice. Trying to finagle some stuff over here so you could really see it. But look at the blue. It is gorgeous. And then she has some moon-shaped crystals. You see that? And the cow jumped over the moon. So gorgeous. I love it. This is like my wedding in a pen. So yes, and then she does include your additional ink. And I'm going to pretty much tell you off the jump, these pens write really well. I did have a young lady ask me how they write. And I'm going to go ahead and show you once I take this little wax ball off. And my handwriting is not the best, but we're going to write magical plans. BB. September kit. Super cute. It's gel. And I want to say, oh, I still got some of this red stuff on there. I want to say this is like a 0.5. Let me see if it says on the ink. Yeah, it's a 0.5 millimeter. As you can see on the ink, it tells you, and it's medium. So yeah, so that is the VB pen. All right, you guys, so this is everything that came in the kit. I absolutely love the colors of this kit. I can't wait to use this. As you know, I am on the VB design team, so I am already brainstorming in my head what I'm gonna actually make using the items from this kit. And I may even use some of the clip art from the digital papers that you get when you get the basic kit plus paper pack. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you are getting yours in the mail as we speak, and I can't wait to see how you use your stuff. Please make sure you tag me in any of your VB unboxings or just posting what you get. I would love to see who's getting what and how you use it. And all you have to do is tag me at herlovelyplan on Instagram, and I will even reshare it in my stories so Tiffany and the rest of the crew can see it as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If so, give me a big old thumbs up, drop me a comment below, and as well, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So I'm out, and I love you guys. So until next time, loves, peace.